the shadows. I know you are with me wherever I go. Even in the moments I can't see, I know you have always been for me.
I know I'm not in this alone. One heart to another, I pray that we understand that we can write out what we think is sufficient, but he's orchestrated a bigger plan. Whatever you've lost, you'll get it back. It's only a season of time. If you open your eyes, you can see there's a promise upon the horizon that's intertwined. See, it's more than a message, it's more than a song, it's more than a verse. Cause where you surrender is where you'll be met, and that's something that's hard to describe in the words. I know that storm is brewing, and it's getting much harder to navigate. It got me wondering why when I'm asking these questions, I'm looking for answers of how we're gonna make it. I have to be patient, that's all I hear. But tell me when it outweighs the fear, well, will it